Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve another SQL problem from HackerRank website, and the name of this problem is New Companies. And today is our day 24 of 100 days of SQL challenge, where I will be solving one question each day, and I hope you guys are also solving one question with me to practice SQL. Okay, so let us read the question. Ember's conglomerate corporation just acquired some new companies. Okay, each of the companies follow this hierarchy. So in a company we have on the top founder of the company, then lead manager, then senior manager, then manager, and then finally employee. Okay, so this is the hierarchy of each company. Now given the table schemas below, we need to write a query to print the company code, founder name, total number of lead managers, total number of senior managers, total number of managers, and total number of employees. Okay, so what we need to print is we need to print company code and founder name and how many lead managers are there, how many senior managers are there in a company, how many managers are there, and how many employees are there. Okay, order your output by ascending company code. Okay, and after printing this we need to order by ascending company code. Note, the table may contain duplicates records. Okay, the company code is string, so the sorting should not be numeric. For example, if the company codes are C1, C2 and C10, then the ascending company codes will be C1, C10 and C2, right? We have this input format where the following tables contain company data. So we have this company table where we have the company code and the founder name. Second table we have is lead manager, where we have the company code and the lead manager of that company. Now we have another table, that is senior manager. The senior manager table contains 3 columns, that is senior manager code, lead manager code, and company code. So from this table we can get the senior manager code. And then we have manager table where we have 4 columns: manager code, senior manager code, lead manager code, and company code. Alright, now we have final table, that is employee, and in employee table we have this 5 columns. So from this employee table we can get the employee code. Okay, now we have this sample input as well. So the company code is C1 and C2, and the founder of C1 company code is Monica, and for company code C2 the founder is Samantha, right? In lead manager table for company code C1, its lead manager code is LM1, and for company C2 the founder of that company is Samantha and its company lead manager code is LM2. Okay, now we have another table, this one, where we have senior manager code, lead manager code, and company code. So for this company code, that is C1, and so there is C1 and C1, right? And their lead manager code is LM1, and for this we have SM1 and SM1, 2 senior manager codes. So this can be possible. So think like this. So we have this company, let C1, okay, let's say Tech Mahindra. So its lead manager, let's say its name is Vikas. So its senior manager, there can be 2 senior manager, right? For this, and those 2 senior managers are reporting to this lead manager code, that is Vikas, and he is the lead manager of Tech Mahindra. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. Okay, now we have this manager table where we have this manager code, senior manager code, lead manager code, and company code. So from this manager table we can get the manager, who is the manager of that particular company, and from this employee table we can get the employee code, right? So this is our sample output. Now they have given us explanation as well. So in company C1, the only lead manager is LM1. Okay, so for this company C1, right, only they have, but they have LM1 and LM1, okay, multiple records, but we need only to count the because they said that there can be multiple records, means duplicate records, LM1 and LM1. So while counting how many lead managers are there in a company, we need to find only the distinct. Okay, so from this for this company C1, you can say only one is, so the number of lead managers are 1. Okay, there are two senior managers, that is SM1 and SM2 under LM1. So this was the lead manager, and these are different, right? SM1 and SM2. There is one manager M1 under senior manager SM1, and there are two employees, that is E1 and E2 under manager M1. For this company C2, the only lead manager is LM2. There is one senior, so that's why this is one. Then SM3 under LM2, there are two managers M2 and M3 under senior manager SM3. There is one employee E3 under manager M2 and another employee E4 under manager M3. Okay, so this question is entirely based on the joins. Okay, so if you know joins, you can definitely solve this question. Okay, let me remove this and start solving the question. Okay, so first we will have this company and lead manager table. So the company code is common in both of these table. Okay, so to get the company code, founder and lead manager code, I need to definitely join these two tables, and I will be joining these two tables with inner join, right? So from this company table, let me alias as C, I will do inner join with lead manager as L on which column I need to join. The company code is common in both of the tables, right? So I can say that on C dot company code is equals to L dot company code, right? And from these two tables, what I can retrieve the company code. So I am retrieving the company code from this company table. So I need to write the C dot company code, comma, then founder is available in this C, that is company table. So C dot founder, and from this lead manager table, I need lead manager code. Let me just copy this. Okay, and let me run this. So now the output of this query will be, we will be getting company code, its founder and its lead manager. Okay, so as you can see, this C76 is the company code, its founder is this, and its lead manager is this, right? Now to get the senior manager code, we have this senior manager table. So again we need to join this. Now inner join, I will be joining the company table with this senior manager table now. So inner join senior manager as S on which column? See, this company code is there in this table as well, so definitely we need to join on the company code. So on now we are joining the company table with this senior manager, so definitely I need to write c dot company code is equal to senior manager. We have aliases as, so I need to write s dot company code, and from this table what I will get? I will get the senior manager code, and s dot senior manager code. All right, now to get the manager code, we have this manager table, so we need to join. Again, I am joining the company table with this manager table because I have the company code common. So inner join managers, I am aliasing as M. On which column I need to join? On the company code, but I need to be careful while putting the name of the table. So we have c dot company name and we have manager as M, so I will have to put M dot company code, and from this what we are getting? We are getting the manager code. To M dot manager code. Okay, and now to get the employee code, we have employee table, right? So it's just the question on joins. So if you know the joins, you will be easily able to solve this. Inner join employees as E on. Again, the condition is same, that I need to join on the company code, because in my company table I have company code column, and in my employee table I have the company code as well. Now what I will get from this? I will get the employee code. So E dot employee code. Okay, now let me run this query. What is this runtime error? Do we have done something wrong? Okay, it's giving some runtime error, but we get this. Okay, we get the company code, we get the founder, we get the lead manager, senior manager, and employee. Now what I need to do is I need to find out how many are lead managers, right? So I need to count how many lead managers, how many senior, how many manager, and how many employees, right? So so I need to use the count function, and you can see that this lm51 this is repeating, right? So I need to only get the distinct lead managers, distinct senior managers. So let us do this. So for counting, we have this count function. Again, I need to count the senior manager as well. So count for manager as well. So for each company we need to find out this, that how many are lead, how many are senior, how many are manager, how many are employees, right? Okay, and now I need to group by these two columns. So the columns which are not a part of aggregation, you have to do group by on them. So group by this, and let me run this, and I hope this time we don't get any runtime error. Yeah, we don't get any runtime error. So we get the count, but as you can see this 159360, so it is counting all, it is counting the duplicates as well. So to correctly identify, we have to use the distinct keyword. What distinct will do, distinct, so as we see that lead managers are LM1 and LM1, so LM1 are repeating 2 times. So what distinct will do, it will count it only one time, it will count only the unique one. So I need to use distinct for everyone, right? Here as well, here as well, and here as well. And let me run the code. Again, it's taking so much time. Okay, so now we get this. So lead manager is only 1 and senior manager is 2, then manager is 5, and then 578 are the employees. Now we get this, but still we have wrong answer. Why? Because they have said that order or output by ascending company code. So I need to do order by as well. So order by ascending company code. So let me copy this ascending. By default it's ascending, but let me just write ASC, and I hope we have done this correctly. I don't know today why it's taking so much time to run the code. Okay, so we get our sample test case, but why is this wrong answer? Because we have done everything right. We have find out the company code, founder, distinct, lead manager, senior manager, everything is correct, and then we have order by also. So in our output, okay, so why is this 578 such a big number? But we have used distinct here as well. Let me find out. Inner join senior manager, then we have inner join manager. Okay, then we have inner join employee. Okay, so we have done this c dot company code is equal to this e dot company code, right? Because we have to join the company code with, we are joining company code with this employee table. So this was the mistake, and now it will be correct. I am hoping so. Please don't take so much time on processing. And guys, if you find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It takes so much of time and effort to make videos like this, so please support. And let's submit the code also. So yeah, we have successfully solved this question. And thank you so much for watching the video.